Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and I'm here to talk about our brand new products. So we have our lovely Fairy Nook homes and we have our lovely stamps here. These are our accessories to go with the Fairy Nook homes. Now you will have seen on our socials me creating one or two of these lovely houses, and we'll have a gallery full of all the ways you can actually decorate these lovely houses too. If you haven't seen them, do head over to our socials. They're on Instagram and Facebook, and it'll give you an insight to what we're actually creating with these Fairy Nook homes. So I'm here now just to talk about the accessories. So these can be used, both of them can be used individually or together. So you can decorate these houses however you wish. You don't necessarily need the stamps and you don't necessarily need the houses to create things with the stamps. So I'm just going to put those to the side and I'm going to create this lovely little card just using these stamps here. I'm sure you've got all your own ideas on what you could do with these, mixing and matching with our lovely stamps as well, our other stamps, old and new, but I think this is a great little kit. So these are our tiles, bricks, another designer bricks, a doorway, but the tiles we can also use as bricks, smaller bricks if you wish. It's entirely up to you. So I've got a piece of card here similar to this one, and I'm going to stamp up using the accessories. We've got the VersaFine Clair. So first of all, I'm going to ink up the house, the door, using the Twilight. Make sure I've got that level. Just lining that down at the bottom there, about central, and place that down like so. And then we've got our lovely bricks, so inking those up. I'm going to just line those up, and again that side as well. Now it's really important that your Perspex blocks is very clear, because you can line up the bricks to meet, but don't worry too much if they don't quite line up. I'm going to fade these out at the top here. Okay, so next up I'm going to grab a little stamp here. This is like a little branch. You can use foliage, there's so many mini stamps we've got out there that you can use, a lot of different ones. Just pick what you want to create this little tiny card. I think it's just so quick and easy. I think it looks really effective. So I'm following down through on the back of the card at the same time. Okay, and now we've got our little birdies. So we've got our robin. So we're going to pop him down on one side there, and then we'll grab our other little robin and we'll pop him on the other side. They're just having a little chat there on their tree. Okay, well, actually I'm going to leave that out. I'm going to blend with that now as well. It's entirely up to you. You can use the VersaFine Clair to blend, or you can use the elements. You can use a bit of both if you wish. Just remembering that your VersaFine Clair is your permanent ink, Okay, so if you wanted to spritz with anything over the top, you can do this without any movement of the versifying clay. If you were using the elements, which is your water-based, and then spritzed over the top, then you would get that lovely movement of colour. So it's just remembering those two things. These ink pads do different things. So I'm just going to blend versifying clay twilight all the way around the edge now. Okay, now just seeing this colour here, I'm thinking actually a little bit of that might be quite nice as well. So I'm going to grab my larger stencil brush because I've got a slightly bigger area I want to cover. Just want a really soft, subtle colour. There we go. Okay, so let's grab our Posca pen. So this is a glittery, I think it's red actually. Yeah, it's a glittery red. So it's not a true sort of pillar box red. It's a little bit orangey, pinky. We can see from the lid actually. But it's got a really lovely sparkle on it, which you might not be able to see on the camera, but in front of me now, it does give a beautiful sparkle. Now you can make these little cards as seasonal as you want. I'm just doing more of a wintry scene really, with some berries on. But you could have some foliage growing up over the top of these bricks. You can make them into a Christmas scene. It's entirely up to you. I just wanted to show you the versatility of these few little stamps that we're bringing out with our fairy nook houses. So I might just add a little bit of glitter. Little bit of sparkle, and then let's pick a couple of words to pop down. There we go. Once upon a time. And then we can have something on the back. Go at the top. And there we have just a really lovely little card. I like doing sort of quick, simple cards. I think they're really effective, aren't they? So two totally different cards, but using the same stamps. So yeah, no, I really enjoyed that. So hope you did too. And again, it shows you the versatility of the stamps. So I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.